Hey guys, so I wanted to show you these new disposable food prep containers. So thank you to the brand for sending this over. I do a lot of meal prep, breakfast bowls, dinner, things like that. And so I wanted to try these out because over time, the plastic meal prep things that I use when I put them in the microwave, they just, the plastic just starts degrading and stuff. So I just wanted to give these a try and see if they actually hold up. So I am actually going to put some soup in one of these and put it in the microwave and just see how well it holds up to being nuked in the microwave. But just a little about it. This package comes with 50 of these 29-ounce containers with a lid that snaps right on top of it. So the lids are made out of a plastic material, but this is like some kind of paper material. So I'm really curious to see if it actually holds up. It also comes with forks. So there's 50 containers, 50 forks, and 50 lids. So let's put some soup in one of these and see what happens. So this is a Italian sausage and potato. Throw this away here. That's really good. So I'm just gonna put it in there like that. So this is a 18.5-ounce can, and you can see there. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave here. Now I'm actually gonna put it on a plate just so when it comes out, in case it's too hot for me to hold. And so let's put that in there for about a minute. All right, so we're gonna take this out of here. Now I did grab a spoon because the forks ain't gonna work on a soup. So let's stir this up here. See how hot it is. All right, so it seems to be holding really well on the bottom. There's no leakage. Let's put a lid on it and see if it leaks. Okay, so this is a very liquidy food item here. All right, so is it going to hold up? All right, so these are going to be great if you're going to, I don't know, you're having a luncheon with your kids' soccer team, you're going to a family barbecue, family picnic, and you want to take some, self-serve trays for people, or pre-made tray salads, meats, lasagnas, casseroles, soups. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I didn't think they were going to hold up to the liquid. I figured it would leak around. So yeah, definitely. If you need some disposable bowls for different purposes, meal prep, family gatherings, on the go, definitely check these out.